Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the Bix Keybs YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys all the keyboards I have and giving you guys a small typing test of each one. So before I get into the video, I'd just like to mention that only a small percentage of y'all are subscribed, so if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Also leave a comment because I literally read every single comment. I know it doesn't seem like I do, but I do. Like, people will comment, does he really read all the comments? And then I respond to those ones. It's kind of funny. Also, if you guys want to join my Discord, there's a link to that in the description. I'm actually starting to build a pretty nice community there. There's a lot of active people that know a lot about keyboards, so if you're new to the hobby and need some help, there are people there to do that for you. Alright, so starting off, this is the K K87. It is a TKL board with, basic, gamer keycaps, and I actually modded this thing out. I put, Texy purple pandas in here. They're a pretty nice tactile, and I also tape modded the stabilizers, and I also lubed all the switches with Krytox 205 grade 0. And here's the type test. Okay, so the next board I have here is a pretty basic gamer board. It's a GK61 with kind of like harvested keycaps that I got from an RK Royal Clutch board. And I just kind of built this to just be cheap. And the switches I have in this are the Akko CS Rose Reds, and not all of them are lubed, only WASD and the spacebar are lubed. Yes, there's a lot of rattle in this because I was just lending this out to my friend Joey. He's actually in the background right now. Joey, do you want this back? But anyways, here's a type test for that. Alright guys, so here's the K61. It is basically just like, the TKL version. Same keycaps, but with this one, I actually haven't modded it yet, which I'm going to be making a video on this one soon. I actually have the switches that I'm going to be using. Trying not to show my face here. Texy Ice Candies. I'm going to be putting these in this keyboard and lubing them up with Krytox 205 grade 0. You already know, it's going to be good. But here's the typing test for basically stock Gator on yellows, and then there's only like one lubed one on this one, which is the escape. I just wanted to see how Gator on yellows felt. But here's the typing test. Okay, so the next keyboard is the Wait, what board is this? Honestly, it is the Redragon K580 RGB mechanical keyboard with Atemo blue switches. Also, I just hit the mic. Sorry for anyone who's listening with headphones. Sorry about that. This was my first ever real mechanical keyboard. So honestly, it's not that good, but I only have it because it's a meme. So here's a typing test for that. Okay, so the last board I have here is the RK Royal Clutch 61, and honestly, it's my favorite board because I have modded this thing out to the extreme. I've tape modded it. I've lubed up all the switches, which are Duroc linears. They're the pink stem ones. And honestly, it looks amazing. I also have a little sticker on the back of it that I got from Divinity. Divinity, sponsor me, please. I buy all my switches from y'all. But honestly, probably my favorite keyboard of all time right now. That's why if anyone asks, what keyboard do you recommend? I only have like $100. I'll say K61 and get like a new set of keycaps or something. Because honestly, pretty good. So here's the typing test for that. And before we actually get into that, if you guys made it to this part of the video, which, you know, I know this video is short, leave a like and say hashtag Bix is very smexy. Do it right now.